how to fix Instagram flash filter not working. So if you want to fix your Instagram flash filter not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. Now go with your search, and here you need to search for Instagram. After searching for your Instagram, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then go and restart your device or clear the cache of your Instagram. So what you need to do is find your Instagram, tap and hold on to it, go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Now, after clearing your cache, you need to go back, and now you need to open up your Instagram. After that, go with your home page. Now go with your story, which will be in the top. Select any image that you're comfortable with, and then just simply go with restyle, which will be in the top, and here you will have your flash filter. Once you find the flash filter, you need to tap on it and wait for a few seconds, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.